IELTS vocabulary. Feeble. Weak. His feeble attempt to explain the situation didn't convince anyone. Feeble. Weak. Wary. Cautious. You should be wary of sharing personal information online. Wary. Cautious. Comply. Obeyed. All candidates must comply with the examination rules. Comply. Obeyed. Obscure. Unclear. The meaning of this poem is rather obscure to most readers. Obscure. Unclear. Venture. Risk. Many entrepreneurs venture into new markets despite uncertainty. Venture. Risk. Meager. Insufficient. Workers protested against their meager salaries. Meager. Insufficient. Bolster. Support. Good examples can bolster your argument in the IELTS writing task to essay. Bolster. Support. Dubious. Doubtful. Many people are dubious about the accuracy of online information. Dubious. Doubtful. Saturate. Soak. Heavy rain saturated the fields within hours. Saturate. Soak. Grim. Harsh. The report presented a grim picture of the current job market. Grim. Harsh. Timid. Shy. The timid student hesitated to speak during the presentation. Timid. Shy. Revoke. Cancel. The university may revoke your admission if documents are false. Revoke. Cancel. Plausible. Believable. Her explanation sounded plausible, but I still had doubts. Plausible. Believable. Abridge. Shorten. The editor decided to abridge the novel to make it easier for students to read. Abridge. Shorten. Juxtapose. Compare. The documentary juxtaposes modern life with ancient traditions. Juxtapose. Compare. Elusive. Hard to catch. True happiness can be elusive for those who chase material things. Elusive. Hard to catch. Hasty. Quick. Making a hasty decision without research can lead to failure. Hasty. Quick. Indifferent. Uninterested. Many young people are indifferent to political issues these days. Indifferent. Uninterested. Notorious. Infamous. The city is notorious for its heavy traffic and pollution. Notorious. Infamous. Lament. Mourn. People often lament the loss of traditional values in modern society. Lament. Mourn. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.